Hey there, beautiful ladies. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Fashion Blast, your ultimate destination for style, beauty, and confidence. Today, we are talking about something truly empowering short haircuts and hairstyles for women with gray hair over 50. If you have been thinking about embracing the beauty of short hair, stay tuned because this is for you. Short hair is more than just a style choice. It's a statement. It's bold, elegant, and effortlessly chic. As we age, our hair texture changes, and shorter style can actually make gray hair look healthier, shinier, and full of life. Plus, let's be honest, it's way easier to manage. A great short haircut can frame your face beautifully, highlight your best features, and even take care of your appearance. Whether you love a classic pixie cut for that modern edge, a textured bob for soft elegance, or a short shag for that carefree youthful vibe, there's a perfect cut for every woman. Let's talk about styling. Short hair means less time fusing and more time enjoying life. A little mouse, a quick tussle, and boom, you are ready to go. It's low maintenance but high impact. And the best part, it gives you a confidence boost like nothing else. Gray hair is not something to hide, it's something to embrace, and short hair it makes that embrace even more powerful. So, ladies, if you are ready to make the chop, go for it. You deserve to feel fabulous at every stage of life. If you like my video, please press the like button. Comment below and let us know what's your favorite short hairstyle. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Fashion Blast for more style impression. And after watching the video, you must comment in the comment section how was the video and what you want to see on our channel videos. At the same time, I hope you like my video.